One thing as a reminder, we're talking about exponential decay. And the general format that we use for these functions is y equals what times what to the what? A.
Times b squared.
Times b to the x. Yes, so A represents what?
No.
The starting amount. B represents what? The number we change by, the number we multiply by. In this case, it's the decay rate. And so the decay rate can be viewed in a couple of ways. Can be given in the amount left, and that is just where you multiply by b, that's just b, or it could give you the actual decay rate. If they give you the actual decay rate, we take 1 minus that to find the amount left. So sometimes they'll just tell you the amount left. Other times you'll have to take 1 minus the decay rate. So if I tell you I have a decay rate of 12%, how am I going to find what I'm going to represent that as B?
1 minus 12.
1 minus 12?
100 minus 12. Wait. 100 minus 12.
Okay, you could think of it as 100 minus 12. Okay. Or 1 minus 0.12. So this is thinking in terms of percent. This is thinking in terms of decimal. And since the amount left has to be as a decimal, this is the one that I would prefer. Because you would get 88 or 0.88. But with 88, you'd have to take that and divide by 100 to get 0.88. Okay? So when we look at these, yes, we could also have half-lives, and that was introduced this class period, the half-life. What is a half-life?
It's half of the original number, or 10 or something.
So if it was.
Well, in the case when it was 10, it was 5 because it's half of the.
Well, that's half of the amount. What would the half-life be?
Wouldn't it be the x to 5?
The x to 5?
X to 5. It's the new T.
So what's that variable on the x-axis when we're talking about half-life?
How much time passes? You got new decor for your room.
Oh, you did. I like it.
I did get new decor. But what's on that x-axis? What variable? What variable's on the x-axis?
I don't know.
Time.
It's
How long
what?
in time does it take for there or quiet? How long does it take for half the amount to remain? My bad. One half of the original amount. So, to practice this, if we had 124 units of insulin, with the decay rate of 8%. What is the half-life Okay, so we need to find 62 units remaining. Now, what's the amount we start with? If I write this equation, 124. And what is my amount left that I'm multiplying by? 0.92, because you subtract 1 minus 0.08. And now we have to find the time. Anyone put that in their calculator? Anyone found the decay rate?
Nope. Caleb, you usually are the one who does it.
Awesome.
If you put that in your y equals, should be 7.93. And it was 8% per minute. So, $7.93 is the half-life. 7.93 minutes. Did your equation look like this?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, I think I looked for 64 on out of habit because I looked for perfect squares. Oops, you're right.
saying good job like it's surprising.
Well.
There we go. 62. 8.31. I apologize. Okay, so 8.31. It's my fault. Okay.
Okay, is this all I have to write?